Good evening, Professor. This is Laura DiFantima, and this is my assignment for this week's Beyond the Classroom, Chapter 3 of Excel. So this week we focused predominantly on given data in cells and being able to generate all different types of charts that Excel has to offer, whether that be all different types of pie charts, bar charts, and in this week's assignment, being able to generate a volume open, high, low, close chart that we see right here. So we were asked to go to Finance Yahoo and look up a company of our choice and pull basically stock numbers over the past 6 months. And then from there, we were asked to just pick the first of every month over the past 6 months. So I chose Tesla, the car manufacturer, and I created my data table of, the volume, the open, the high, the low, and the close of over the past 6 months. And then from there, we were asked to create this chart. So I generated the given the volume open, high, low, close chart, and we were asked to create it on a separate page. So this is essentially how my chart came out. I created a title that spoke to the truth of the chart. We were asked to insert a text box, which I did so right here with a little summary of what the chart tells us. We were asked to make changes to the units, that we did right here, and we were asked to put it in millions, being able to change the font and the colors, and also, hiding the legend and other things that the assignment asked us to do. So the primary focus of the assignment was to just become more familiar with creating charts in Excel, which definitely the assignment did so. I was slightly familiar with charts before, but it definitely gave a better handle on doing so. And even just the idea of, picking the data and creating the chart and then being able to put it on another tab without having to copy and paste or change anything was super useful. I didn't know that you could do that before. So that was helpful in this week's assignment. And what I didn't know before this week was, again, I actually was not familiar with a volume open, high, low, close chart. I've never done anything like that before. And even the specifics of the small details in the chart, just changing the units, like I said, I wasn't familiar with that. Even just changing the small details like the fonts and being able to just, the chart elements, making changes to the access title, the chart titles, all different things like that. What I want to, the names of things, and even just the colors if I wanted to change it. So it just kind of gave us a better understanding of how to use the charts and data in Excel. And what I learned before is pretty much a good majority of charts I knew about, but like I said, I was not familiar with the volume open, high, low, close. And it also just gave me a better handle on what types of different charts Excel had to offer, rather than just your basic bar and pie. And also, like I said, it allowed me to become more familiar with changing like the minute details of the chart. So that was really great and super helpful. Thank you so much.